Ever wondered what consumerism or planogram means? Well, it's time to unravel these retail terminologies and learn about their importance in the retail world. Firstly, consumerism. It's a social and economic order that encourages the purchase of goods and services in ever greater amounts. It's the fuel that drives our economy, pushing us to buy and buy some more. Next, we come to consumption. In simple terms, it's the process of using up goods or services. In the retail world, it refers to the rate at which consumers are buying and using products. Now, on to customer satisfaction. It's a measure of how products and services supplied by a company meet or surpass customer expectations. It's the key to retaining loyal customers and attracting new ones. Distribution is the process of making a product or service available for the consumer or business user who needs it. It involves transportation, warehousing, and delivery, a crucial element in retail. Ever heard of empowered consumers? They're knowledgeable customers who have the tools like smartphones and the internet to make informed purchasing decisions. They're changing the way retailers operate. Inventory shrinkage, a fancy term for shoplifting, employee theft, and other forms of loss. It's a retailer's nightmare, and they're always working on ways to reduce it. Logistics is all about managing the way resources are acquired, stored, and transported to their final destination. It's a complex process, but it ensures that products reach the shelves on time. Markdown is a reduction in the selling price of retail merchandise. It's a common strategy for moving slow-selling goods or clearing out old stock. Ever seen a perfectly arranged retail shelf? That's a planogram, a visual diagram that details where every product on a retail shelf should be placed. A procurement is the process of finding and agreeing to terms and acquiring goods, services, or works from an external source, often via a tendering or competitive bidding process. It's all about getting the best value for money. Retail, the sale of goods to the public in relatively small quantities for use or consumption rather than for resale. It's the final step in the distribution of merchandise. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services. It includes all processes that transform raw materials into final products. Switching costs are the costs that a consumer incurs as a result of changing brands, suppliers, or products. While not significant for retail customers, they can be substantial for industrial users. Finally, wholesale. The selling of goods in large quantities to be retailed by others. It's the step before retail in the distribution process. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of retail terminologies. Understanding these terms will give you a deeper insight into the world of retail. From consumerism to wholesale, each term plays a vital role in the complex and fascinating process of getting products from manufacturers to consumers. So the next time you walk into a store or shop online, you'll appreciate the intricate dance that is retail.